This Italian cheese was made inside a volcano. In Sicily, farmers use caves inside volcanoes to age their cheese. The constant heat and minerals give it a smoky, salty flavor. You can taste the island itself. Like and follow if you love cheese. It's called Pecorino Siciliano. Made from sheep's milk and aged in lava caves. It's been protected by law for over 1,000 years. In other countries, cheese is food. In Italy, it's memory, aged by the earth itself. I'm Joe Wilder from Traveler's Encyclopedia. Like and follow for more stories that taste like travel.